An ancient cardiovascular drug or a plant to save heart attacks and stop hypertension. We're talking about Arjuna. Now, high blood sugar is a serious problem, right? But it's not the only thing that you should be concerned about. High blood pressure is actually much more dangerous and can kill you much sooner than a high blood sugar. That's because high blood pressure puts strain on your heart and can lead to heart attacks and strokes. That's why it is so important to keep your blood pressure under control. If it ever goes over 130/80, you should be very worried and take action to lower it, because your stroke and heart attack risk doubles every 10-point increase in your blood pressure over 110/70, and that high blood pressure is often a real silent killer. Most of the time it has no symptoms, especially in the early stages. Many people don't know that they have it until it's too late. That's why it's important to get your blood pressure checked regularly. There are a lot of natural ways to lower your blood pressure, so don't wait around and hope that it will just go away on its own. It will just not happen. You can deny it. Yeah, it happens all the time. But I would say take control of your health now and keep your blood pressure in check. It could save your life. One of the most common types of trees in India, actually, it's very common. It's called Arjuna, which is sometimes referred to as Arjun tree. Not Argentina, Arjun tree. It possesses a wide range of therapeutic qualities. What are they? Well, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. Now, what it does is strengthening and toning your cardiac muscles the ways that actually Arjuna can lower the risk of developing heart disease. In addition to this, it actually helps lower high blood pressure and possess quite a bit of potent anti-hypertensive features. Now, Arjuna has been shown to be helpful in the treatment of chest pain too. We call this angina, right? According to a number of studies, the bark of the Arjuna tree has the ability to significantly lessen the severity of chest pain by reducing the amount of cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. People who have stable angina see an increase in their exercise tolerance and an improvement in their HDL levels, which, as you know, is the good cholesterol. And they also see a reduction in their blood pressure when they take Arjuna regularly. Additionally, the Arjuna tree can actually assist with the management of diarrhea, the asthma, coughing. The topical use of Arjuna bark is also beneficial for the management of a variety of skin conditions that includes the eczema, psoriasis, itching, and rashes, and things like that. Now, Arjuna has been boiled in milk and consumed once or twice per day, if that's what you prefer. For those who suffer from heart conditions, could be rhythm problems, could be high blood pressure. So if you are looking for a real natural medicine to reduce your blood pressure or any other issues related to your heart, I would say Arjuna is possibly your best alternative. By the way, I do not know if I told you this already, but we completely renewed our blood pressure formulas. We call this, SugarMD blood pressure support, and still the same name, but you will see a stamp on there that says new improved formula. This new SugarMD blood pressure support is a huge win, and it works as good as advanced glucose support the way it works for the little blood sugar. So advanced glucose support works great for sugars, as you know already, but now the blood pressure support works as good to lower the blood pressure. If you are using the advanced glucose support, you know how strong and effective it is. The same is true for the blood pressure support now. I would say expect to see a drop around 10 to 20 points in your blood pressure in the next 7 to 10 days. It can be more, but it doesn't really cause drop in your blood pressure. So it wouldn't be like having dizzy episodes or anything like that. Unless you're on other medications, then you may have to cut back on them after discussing with your doctor. But it has a lot of antibacterial properties as well. It actually helps to manage intestinal problems that is caused by germs. So it prevents the body from losing excessive amount of water and electrolytes, which it does that by actually controlling the motility of the gastrointestinal tract. Since it has the antibacterial properties, which is also helpful for even infections of urinary tract. Isn't that interesting? Well, Arjuna tree is used in the treatment of symptoms, especially if you are like these symptoms are like getting up and going to the restroom all the time for urination. In addition, a number of studies have indicated that bark of Arjuna tree has a liver protective action, which helps not only to protect the liver, but also improve its functioning. This is due to the fact that the bark of the Arjuna tree includes a number of bioactive components that includes phenolics, flavonoids, and tannins, among other things. Arjuna is even beneficial for the treatment of kidney diseases such as uremia, which is not the least of its many uses, but it actually helps to protect the kidneys from potentially harmful consequences of the oxidative stress as a result of significant antioxidant activity that it has. It does that by eliminating dangerous free radicals. Wow! You now know how this natural herb really works so well. Well, that's good for you. You learned so many things today about how to really help your blood pressure. If your blood pressure is over 130 over 80, don't wait. Do something about it. And more importantly, stay happy and stay healthy. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.